Thank you, Bala, for making this happen. We spoke a while ago, but I'm delighted that you finally were able to make this happen. Brilliant from a city perspective. Thank you, Mayor Garu, for joining us, in this wonderful initiative. NVS, KVB Reddy Garu, Tarvata, Jayesh Ranjan Garu, and the entire family of ACT who's here, and to all the friends from the media who are all gathered here. I think if you start looking around at your own family or your own children for that matter, in fact, you see that everybody off late, in fact, even if you're having a dinner around a table or even if you're gathered around, your living room, you'll see that most of us are actually constantly looking into our phones or constantly obsessed with our own respective, iPads or whatever tablets you use, etc. So it is a world where everybody is, in fact, getting all their information and entertainment news, from our digital devices. As I think NVS Reddy put it, infotainment is a word, and I think our source primarily is all the digital mediums and all the digital channels that we all use so extensively. As part of that, in fact, while I have a kind of a mixed opinion on the initiative, because I believe, as was put very eloquently by a couple of my colleagues, a couple of my speakers who spoke before me, who preceded me, the world is, if you look at it, there is the digital haves and the digital have-nots. The digital divide has never been more apparent, never been more real. We see all these news about some children, getting onto the rooftop to be able to attend an online class, etc., in some parts of our state, which are rural and which are kind of far away. Then we also see lots of, children within the city where the connectivity is really good, who are kind of, completely fixated on their phones and completely obsessed with their devices. And we keep reading about how children are getting really addicted to these digital instruments and digital products. While I might have mixed opinions, and while the world might have mixed opinions on whether or not more and more connectivity and more speed and more agility when it comes to these, digital technologies, the fact is we can't do without it. The fact is we cannot live in today's world without these sort of access. We live in a world of 4G now. I think 5G is not far away. I think it's already being experimented very extensively. And when it comes to infrastructure, I think digital infrastructure, that is, today we have, obviously we all have our mobile phones. Each of us, in fact, has more than one mobile phone. Many of us, we do. So while we are moving gradually from one generation of phones to another, and we continue to again, harp on better speeds, etc., I think what's equally important is initiatives like Hi-Fi, which has been powered by ACT, so graciously, all pro bono, I might add. In fact, thanks, I think they deserve a big round of applause, the entire ACT family, because on just one request, ఒక్క రిక్వెస్ట్ మీద బాలాగారిని ఒక మాట అడిగితే ఆయన చాలా కోట్ల రూపాయలు ఖర్చు పెట్టారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ బాలా మల్లాది గారు ఫర్ coming forward and doing the entire city. Initially they were not supposed to do the entire city. They were confined to a certain number of hotspots. But when I asked them, I said, why don't you do the entire city? Now that I've seen the success that you guys have enjoyed. They came forward very graciously and they've spent lots of money. I don't want to go into numbers, but more importantly, more than the 3,000 plus hotspots they've created. What I am delighted and proud of is that they've connected more than 400 schools, government schools, what connection icharu. Basti Davakhanalu connect icharu. Tarvata ippude nenu meddram maatladutunnappudu, we were talking about how we can possibly leverage this to help our people through this pandemic also. E-health initiatives chala teesukovachu. Primary health care centers kani, సెకండరీ హాస్పిటల్స్ కానీ, టెర్షరీ కేర్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ కానీ, వాటిని కూడా సీమ్లెస్గా లింక్ చేసి ఈ హెల్త్ కానీ ఇట్లాంటి ఇనిషియేటివ్స్ ఎలా తీసుకోవచ్చు, టెలిమెడిసిన్ ఎలా చేయొచ్చు, ఇవన్నీ కూడా we were talking. So the possibilities are endless once you realize the power of being connected is. I think the possibilities are endless. My compliments to the ACT family. You guys have done a fabulous job. I loved interacting with all those youngsters out there, because I think they are the real champions who are going to really carry forward the Hi-Fi flag, because more than 3,000 hotspots and people are addicted. In fact, appudu my family lo kuda, my son keeps joking. He says, మొన్న ఒక రోజు ఎందుకో I was busy all day, couldn't take his call. I saw a couple of missed calls on my way back. And as soon as I reached home, I asked him, so why did you call? He says, I decided that from now on, if I have to reach you, I'll probably just tweet or something. So that is the life we all live in. We are, in a way, we are so much into our own devices, so much into our WhatsApp boxes, so much into our telegrams and signals and other things that we use. We kind of have lost a bit of that human touch. But I'm delighted that with your initiative, we'll have people at least, gathering around these wonderful hotspots, or even, I don't know, metro lo pettadam manchi idea na kaado naakayite doubt envious. Inga paiki evaru chudakunda andaru phone lolone chuskunta untaremo. So metro lo kuda sare pettandi endukante people are asking, there's nothing we can do about it. But great initiative, Bala. Thank you very much, and you've done all of this pro bono, and I'm really delighted that we've been able to launch it in a very short span of time. And more importantly, you've told me that this is India's largest public Wi-Fi in a city. Arvind Kejriwal might not agree with that, but I think we can go ahead and definitely claim that this is definitely a free Wi-Fi law, public Wi-Fi law. This possibly is the largest. So my compliments, congratulations, and I think, Bala, you should move from Bangalore to Hyderabad and seriously come and do more here, work more with us, work closely, and make lot more things happen. And I was talking to you about the digital health profile initiative of the government of Telangana. I'd love for ACT to be a part of that. I'd love for you to also see how we can actually digitize the health records of our citizens in the entire state. We're starting off in Mulugu and Sirsila, 2 districts. So I'd love for you to also collaborate with us there. Once again, compliments to the entire family of ACT FiberNet. Thank you very much, GHMC, for your cooperation, for your kind support. But I think now is the time, Mayor Garu, GHMC should start owning up this project now. ఇక్కడ నుంచి వాళ్ళు చేయాల్సినంత వాళ్ళు చేశారు. వాళ్ళు ఒక 50 మందిని పెట్టారు ఇక్కడ డెడికేటెడ్గా ఈ మొత్తం హాట్స్పాట్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయడానికి 50 మందిని పెట్టున్నారు వాళ్ళు దే విల్ బి కాన్స్టెంట్లీ సపోర్టింగ్ యూ. బట్ ఐ థింక్ ద సిటీ రియలీ హ్యాస్ టు ప్రమోట్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ద సిటీ రియలీ హ్యాస్ టు latch on to this and let the citizens enjoy this public Wi-Fi. So congratulations, compliments, and kudos to everybody who's done a great job. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.